of Colombia. Colombia, a place to love, a place when violence altogether we will be victorious. Colombia is a beautiful place than despite its violence. Has marked the hearts of every city. Among them we have the way of dressing is expressing in a unique and coloring way. Many of the people are keen, are working, entrepreneurs, responsible, and respectful. Then with each value they undertake and demonstrate in their lives every day we will learn things. Colombia, in addition to the way people dress, has places that are characterized by species and fauna where we can find beautiful landscapes that illuminate the lives of each person. Celebrations of Colombia. Colombian celebrations are characterized by the way it's celebrated, because its spirit is happy and excited, representing each of the achievements made on of its best known celebration is the Black and White Carnival, where Afro-descendants and whites are celebrated with each dance and movie, live and artists and unique for them represent Colombia as an unique country. Colombia climate. In Colombia there are different types of climates that can be both tropical, cold, dry, and temperate. When we observe it with big and tranquil, we can see a unique white and so whose landscape full of courts and mark a place in its criticism. In Colombia, temperatures can begin or long, for example, in a paramount wind find temperature of 3 grados centígrados, while on a beach there are more 13 centigrados, but in each of the climates we have several exotic species that have unique color in our country. Thank you.